This part of prepress is retouching photos. Retouching photos consists in changing the original photo, changing light, effect, quality, and contrast. The most used software in the graphical industry is Photoshop. Illustrator is a software which allows us to import vectorial drawing to create logos. For example, you can convert a photo and you can keep one element in color.
A layout is a technique of graphic disposition of information in a given space. It is after the information has been collected and it precedes printing. For this work, we receive the pictures previously retouched and the vectorial drawings, and we gather it all together on a software InDesign, incorporating the text. All these elements brought together makes a layout.
After the creation of the layout, we do a color row so that we can check the color quality, the typography, and the position of the pictures. This test can prevent errors.
Welcome. I'm going to talk to you about the imposition. In the graphic industries, the imposition is an operation that aims to order all the pages of a book before the printing step. Indeed, on a single sheet of paper, we can print many pages, and if we don't lay out them in a strict order, you will not be able to read the book after the folding step. As you can see on this folded little book, we have right here the first page and here the last page. When we unfold the book, you can see that they are absolutely not in a logical order. This is an imposition diagram. On this diagram, we have laid out all the pages of the book in a strict order before the printing step. The red lines are the places where we're going to cut the paper, and the green lines are the
It's a feeder. The paper goes through the press from here. The paper is aired to be charged and squared in a stillage. The stillage is set to the side of the paper with a ruler on the feeder. With the paper, it's necessary to set a fly because it allows the paper to go through in one take. The paper is transported to the feed board and it moves until it gets to the clips.
We insert the offset plate into the front clamp of the cylinder. With this bottom, this machine closes the front clamp and rolls up the plate. The plate is caught by the black clamp of the cylinder and the plate is drawn. Then, the dark zones are inked and white zones around them are dampened to avoid the presence of ink.
The paper is squared. The machine is planned with different formats to cut the paper. Two buttons are pressed at the same time, and at this moment the blade goes down and cuts the paper.
On this folder, the paper goes to the feed board and then it is directed to the buckles. The buckles are going to fold the paper to the correct size.